the charts on my screen. Crypto world ain't nothing to glean. TA with TI Joe through the scene. Riding waves, rolling like a machine. Buzzing Piper Academy, network tight. Learning trades in the middle of the night. Technical analysis for trading to vision right. Got that crypto vision, see it's all in sight. Cash flow like a raging tide. Investing in coins that come alive.
All right, guys, I believe we are ready. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Can we do the old intro like we did before? Let's go. All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. I do thank you guys for being here. Now, of course, I'm still on this older computer, and I don't have it to where I can... Let me just see. If I do a pop out, I used to do this a long time ago, but I don't know if it's still active. Let me see. If I click on this, does it... Oh, wait, I got to put this in the browser source. So let me copy this. Let me see if we can update this really quick. So bear with me, guys. So I'm just going to go add to a browser source. While we're doing this, if you could please, let's do December chat. If you could please give me some charts. Give me some charts to look at. Give me some questions. Give me some comments. Give me something. So let's do browser source. I think this is going to work too. So let's do 1600 by 1600. Well, I'll probably have to adjust this in a little bit. Right? And let's say okay to everything else, I'm guessing. Ooh, that's not right. So let's go, what's length? Okay, so it's width and then height. So height will do 600. Right? So give me some stuff, guys. Give me some stuff. Did I actually put it in the... Oh, I did. Okay. So now let's try something, guys. Let's try something. Let's go over here to this. Go to this. Okay. Go to this. Did anything happen? I don't see anything. Oh, look at that. It worked. Bingo, bango. Bingo, bango. Road Dog says first. Road Dog says first. First question mark? Good morning, guys. So happy you're here. I just got back. It was pretty amazing. I was in Snoozeville. Snoozeville said, Joe, you stayed over your welcome. I said, no, man. What's that loud noise? I don't care about that siren. I said, Joe, you need to get out of here. So story time. Last night we were up all night in my group. The VIP group, we were up all night doing a bunch of research, making some videos, doing updates, and then we found something very, very interesting. If you are not watching I don't know how I became Indian right there, but if you are not watching my videos, ooh-wee, you are missing out. That's all I got to say about that. But yeah, I did find something that is pretty amazing. Let's see here. Road Dog says, to say first. The Christmas dinner table at the moment. Oh my gosh, still watching you. Priorities. I'll tell you what, we're gonna make you money. Not financial advice, but I'm pretty sure we are going to make you some money. All right, Crypto Badell in the house. What is going on? See, why no face camera? Well, my computer, for whatever reason, I was getting ready to do a live stream yesterday, and the camera wasn't working. Okay, no problem. It does that from time to time. Reboot my computer. We're all good. Reboot the computer. No, still no camera. All right, no problem. Let me try it one more time. If it doesn't, I have to reinstall the drivers. Happens from time to time. No biggie. Reboot the computer. It rebooted for an hour and 40 minutes, and I said, okay, well, let me just power it off because this is ridiculous. And I powered it off, and I turned it back on, and it doesn't allow me to click on anything. I get some message saying that OBS didn't shut down properly, but I can't click on anything. And I go to restart, and it won't restart it. It won't do anything. So then I've unplugged the computer, powered it down, pushing power button for about 10 seconds, plugged it back in, turned it on, and it would load up, but it's only showing the screen to where I can't click on anything. And then if I do try to click on anything, nothing happens. So then I was able to go to Control Alt Delete, and then I was able to restart it that way. But it's been on rebooting or restarting for about a day and a half now, or a day. So that's my story. If Paperclip, if you know how to fix that, or if Crypto Badell, you know how to fix, or anybody here, please let me know. Crypto Badell says, Litecoin. Yes, we will definitely get some Litecoin going. And let's see here. Paperclip says, I mean, everything is pumping. So hard to pick a chart. Yeah, it is, man. It is. Very, very true. CryptoCan says, let's go. A bingo and a bango. Hey, we got our first super chat of the show. We have from Alexandra G, the best mod, the hardest working mod. Like, I'm trying to think of a new slogan, but I can't think of one that says best. We have Alexandra G, the bestest mod in the house. The besting mod of the. I mean, you're the best. You were the hardest worker for sure. Sin says, Merry Christmas, America's family. So happy you guys are here. So happy you guys are here. Yes, definitely, guys. Smash the like. We're going to make some money, guys. Let's see here. I could fix it quick, probably. Dude, if you could, that'd be great. Because I'm literally, like, so crazy with this. All right, so let's go and get started. We have Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. What is Bitcoin doing? Well, Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin does. It's driving people nuts. Do I have any? Where's all my stuff? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let's put this on. And I guess that's it. That's all. I mean, I have to delete all this stuff anyway. But I'll probably do that later on, not for the show. This is just our constant thought process, and I absolutely love doing this. Now, one thing that we did... Oh, where are all my lines here? I need my lines. I do need my lines. Okay, what else? Spray. Yes, very important. Yeah, I believe I got all this right here, because I'm going to show you something that, in my opinion, is very important. So I don't need that. Okay. So when we're looking at this, and all we're doing is just level by level. That's all we're doing. Level by level. Hey, we got Ian in the house. What's up, Ian? Appreciate you, man, for being here. We have Dave P in the house. Thank you, Dave P. Appreciate you, man. Thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. So if anybody can help me with that situation that I have for my other computer, not doing anything but restarting, and then when it finally, if I'm able to turn it off and unplug it and power it down for 10 seconds to where it decharges the battery and plug it back in, it allows me to go into my Windows setting, but I can't click on anything. The only box I have, it says, OBS didn't shut down properly, and I can't click on anything. It just goes ding, 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 like there's another window open somewhere. But I checked all my monitors. There's no windows on any monitors for me to say okay or dismiss or anything. Maybe there's a window that is telling me to say okay or something, but it's not showing on my monitors. So if you know how, I did this before, where there was some kind of shortcut key where I could flip through, but it's not just Alt Tab or whatever it is, but where I could see what is open, click on it with like a control click or something, and I could move it to another window. Because it's like if there's another pop-up window that's up, but it's not on my screen. So if y'all know how to do that, that's probably what it is. So if y'all can figure that out, last time it took me like 2-3 hours to kind of word it correctly. But if y'all can figure that out, that would help me out. All right. So here, we're done with this, and it's just level by level. And we were on the 1 hour time frame when we were looking at this. And this is what we were looking at. We were looking at this right here. And we're saying, you know, because it ran up pretty nicely, more than likely it's going to come down. It broke this level. Here's our next level. It bounced really nice. Then it broke through. Most people are starting to short. Do I want to short? Not really. I don't want to short in a bull market. Not only that, but we're really close to the all-time high. The market makers can change it up at any moment. Yeah, so I know about that one, the Alt tab. It'll show me the different windows, but it it won't show me a window that's not on my screen. I don't believe so. And if I do find a window that's not on my screen by Alt tab, there's no way for me to click on that screen to put it to my screen, if that makes sense. So what I need to know is how to move a window from a different screen onto another screen without actually going to that screen. It has to do, it's some kind of function. Maybe it's like Windows Control, and then you can see what tabs you have open or what windows you have open, and you can manually click and drag it onto the existing screen. Because I think that's what it is. Because I'm clicking, but it's not letting me click anywhere. So I'm thinking there's a window that's on an invisible monitor, and I need to find that so I can drag it to put it to an active monitor. Let's see here. Task Manager should show what's running and what can be closed. Yeah, but I mean, I have so many things running. I don't know what pop-up it is. Here, couldn't you open up Task Manager and see what's open? I mean, there's a lot of junk on the computer, dude. Like, I don't know what error message I'm having. You know what I mean? See here, could you close it right from the right? I mean, I could probably go to the Task Manager and just close down one thing at a single time. Give me one thing at a single time. I could do that. Here, going on the list. But if y'all could also figure out how to move a window from a disabled monitor to an active monitor. If y'all could look that up for me or know about that, that'd be great. Actually, I'm going to write that down so I can, because it has to do with the wording, how you're wording it. I don't have a pen at this desk. Oh, wait, no, I have a drawer full of pens. Never mind. Okay, we're going to get done with the show, guys. We're going to get on the show. Let's see here. How to move how to move window from inactive monitor to active monitor. Y'all can look that up. That'd be great. If not, that's fine. I think that's how I have to word it. Okay, moving on. Okay, so we were over here, and we were looking at, hey, we got Duality Crypto in the house. What's up? What's up? MFA. What's going on, guys? You press Shift, Windows key, the button to, that's what it was. That's what it was. I remember it was a series of keys and it had to do with the arrow key. Ian found it. Did you know that already, or did you use my keywords? Let me know. All right, so we're talking about this level by level. And for me, I don't want to short in a bullish market. The market makers can move this at any point. And now, am I potentially losing money by not shorting? Sure. But by the same token, I'm reducing my risk of getting wrecked by 100% and not being in short. By not being in short. You guys are the best. I love you guys. This is what I call family right here. Love you guys. And then it kept on coming down, breaking this level. Now, when it was here, and again, I've been mentioning this for a few days now. I do think that if we go into this level, and I still think it too, if we go into this level, we could potentially break down, because it's a weak level, very weak support resistance level, and break down, and this would be, kind of breaking down, coming to this point, the market makers will fake everybody out because right here there is a low volume node, which means there's no ups and downs. There's no support resistance. And it'll fake everybody out. Everybody will go short big time. Everybody. And then the market makers just, boom, take it up. Just take it up. Now, the other scenario is that it comes down here, and then this is the decision point. Is it going to continue down further to where it's going to go to the about 35% mark, or is it just going to 25% mark? But with that being said, have I opened any shorts? Have I posted any shorts for the group? Nope, sure haven't, because I don't want us getting wrecked. I would rather go doing longs than shorts, especially because we're way up here. Now, if we were somewhere different, I just need to make that clear, because I don't want you to think like, oh man, you don't post any shorts? Why aren't you shorting? If we're in a different market, this is another all-time high, so I wouldn't do it here either. But if we were in a different type of market, so let's say, you know, I don't think it's all-time high, like 28, no. So let's say we're in here and we're doing this number and we break a level. Sure, we'll short. But if we're on an all-time high area, you don't want to short because the FOMO can kick in at any moment and then you get wrecked. Could you make money short term? Sure. Is it worth it? In my opinion, not really. And right now, Bitcoin, what we do all-time high today, my leverage longs would do a very, very nice, and it would be very appreciative. Here, MFA says keywords. Oh, thank you. Al, what's up, Al? Al says, what's up, Joe? Merry Christmas, bud. Hey, man, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Paperclip says, could we look for some laggers and longs? Some laggers and longs. Not sure what laggers are. But yeah, give me some coins. We already have one. I believe the first one was a Litecoin, I think it was. I don't remember. How do I go back up? Oh, here we go. What was the first token? Oh, Litecoin, yeah, from Crypto Badell. We will definitely be doing that one. Okay. Ian says, I knew it already, Joe. I'm a smart guy. I don't wear a foam helmet like you. I know everything. Hey, Ian, come on, man. I thought we were buds. If you want to reset the GPU without rebooting your system, press Shift, Control, Window, V. That will reset the GPU and dump the memory. You're freaking kidding me. You're a genius. You're a genius. I am going to do that. Ian, I miss you, buddy. Ian, you're really smart. I like hanging around with smart people. I really do. If I'm the smartest one in the group, ooh, not a good sign. Not a good sign. Of course, I know how to trade, though. But, you know, moving on. All right. So we're looking at this. It came up here, got rejected off of this trend line, came down. Look at this bounce, man. Look at this beautiful bounce right here, right off of this level. Beautiful bounce. It would be, man, it would be so nice if, hopefully you're not in shorts, but if all the shorts got wrecked. And this just went literally like this. Ready for the next candle? Ready for the next candle? And we hit 115,000 today. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Coins that are behind. Okay. So let's look at Litecoin. Let's stop messing around. Let's look at Litecoin. And let's see if we can make some money today. Let's see if we can make some money today. So let's go to YouTube. And we're looking at YouTube. And this one, it might take a little while. Again, I'm using this computer. And this computer, I literally have like 20 tabs open. I have 4 programs open. And this is a weaker computer. I mean, I am working. I am working this computer to the bone. To the bone. Ethereum looks great for an entry. Look at that. It's only moved up a little bit. Ethereum looks perfect. Wow. Here's a level that it needs to break. Now, granted, will you make more money with other coins? Definitely. But this is the level it needs to break on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1 out, man, that looks nice. Look, guys, we have an Adam and Eve. We have an Adam and Eve pattern. We have this right here, and we have, look at this, guys. I'm a genius. So we have an Adam and we have an Eve. I mean, you could say that. I prefer my atom to be like this. It is what it is. The main thing to know is that this is the neckline, and this is where it needs to cross. So let's go ahead and put this on the, delete this, get this up there. So on the 1 hour time frame, the price action needs to cross above 35.31. If it does, on the 1 hour time frame, we can do a nice entry. The 1 hour candle must close. So let's go ahead and just type that out. So let's go ahead and set an alert. You could enter now. In my opinion, nothing wrong with entering now, due to the fact that, oh, everything is bullish right now. So let's go ahead and set alert. And let's do a style. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? Set alert. Oh yeah, coordinates. We're going to copy this. We come down in here. Put our coordinates. We're going to paste them in. Make sure it's orange. Then what we're also going to do is we're going to say, let's see here, 1 hour candle must, I'm trying to type slow because the mic's right by the keyboard. 1 hour candle must close above 36.03 to enter regular spot or 2x. And that's it. Okay. So we'll put that right there. I'll put it on the bottom. For this one, could we do a stop loss? Sure, why not? Let's do a stop loss. So let's say we entered here. We would do our stop loss, let's say about 7%. Could we go all the way down here? I'm going to do a really tight stop loss. So let's do it right here, about 7%. So this is going to be our stop loss. Do a stop loss, and we're going to get to Litecoin in just a moment. If you have any coins, let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, definitely let me know. And let's go and do this one as this. Let's do a stop loss. So this would be your stop loss. Now let's go look for a target. Let's go to a higher time frame. Go daily. Let's not mess around. Man, nothing over here. Go to a 3-day. Oh, we're at all-time high. Man, I completely forgot about that. Okay, not a problem. How do we find a target? Good question. How do we find a target? Well, we have to use the fib extension tool for this example. I'm going to make sure my magnet tool is on. I'm going to go to my fib extension tool. I'm going to go from the swing low to the swing high to the swing low, a bingo and a bango. That's all she wrote. Let's go ahead and turn back on this. And let's go ahead and put on, I can turn this off now. And let's do some Control J's. So Control J, let's go to, I guess we'll start from here. Alt J rather, I'm sorry. Alt J, change this to white. Let's do an Alt J here, Alt J here, Alt J here. We'll do one. Joe, you're going in the middle. Yeah, that's fine. Does it really matter? I'm sure there's a level right there somewhere. All right, so let's go put this on the 1 hour time frame. Go and extend this up a little bit. Get some more real estate. Okay. Let's change this to a 4 hour just so I can show more price action. Here, Al says, I have shorts on. Should I take them off? I'm curious. Oh my gosh. So if I was somebody in shorts, what I would do, if you're in profit, me personally, not financial advice, I would take 50% off the table so I secure my profits. And then I would have a stop loss for sure above a resistance level. So of course, if it breaks that resistance and it continues going up, you get stopped out, hopefully still in profit. If you're at a loss, what I would do if I was at a loss, I would, depending on how much of a loss I'm in, if I still think that it's bearish and this is just a trap, same thing, I would sell half, definitely have a stop loss. Let's say I'm at a pretty good loss. Man, I would have to cut my losses. And that's actually what I did with my longs. I was in some longs, like let's say right here, I was in my long, and then it broke this level, and then it looked like it was going to break another level, and it hurt. I lost a lot of money, but I would rather lose that amount of money than, wait. And because I don't know how long it was going to take before that bounce. And then I could have, so many days could have passed, and then I could have ran out of money, and then I get liquidated out of my entire account versus what I was just trading with. Here, Bubba says, what's going on, guys? So happy you're here. Here, move chat boxes. It's blocking what you're, okay. So I was thinking about that. Good suggestion. There you go. Oh, and let me change. Yeah, you can see that part. Okay. Thank you for the suggestion. Here, Al says, I was joking, Joe. I meant like short pants. Oh, man, I was scared. I have a short limit order set at. I don't know about shorts. I don't know about doing shorts right now. Because, I mean, it may blow through that and then you get stopped out or liquidated. I mean, if it's like $10, sure, try it. Lower leverage, possible. Okay. Let's go and do this. And you got me scared too. I was like, oh, in shorts. So we can do a 2-to-1 risk to reward on this one. Not a problem. And this one would be target. And the target will sell 50%. And then this one, much nicer. And this one will be a target. What am I doing? This one will be a target. So let's target 50%. Okay, and then let's go and make these official. And then after this, we're going to do the Litecoin. I just happen to see this one. It's like, man, this is a perfect setup right here. So might as well give this one to y'all. See if I can make some money off of it. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And if you're entertained, put a bingo bango in the chat. If you are entertained, put a bingo bango. If you are not a YouTube member, not a problem. Just type it out. A bingo and a bango. Bingo and a bango if I'm giving you valuable information. Here we go. All right. So we have all this here. And we have this like this. So let's do this. And let's put this up here. And then let's just make it a little bit more. Let's do Adam and Eve pattern. All the pattern lovers are going to love this. Adam and Eve pattern. And you know what? Just for the heck of it, let's go ahead and enter now. So let's go YouTube entry. And then what I like to do is I like to put a little bit more context in this. So this is December 24, 2024. And the time is 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. That's good. Let's put this in the front. So what does this mean? This means the alert goes off and you add to the trade. You first see 1 hour candle must close above to add to trade. To add to position. To position. Perfect. Perfecto mundo. Make it a little fancy. Okay, so how does that look? 1 hour candle must close above 3603 to add to position, regular spot, or 2x. We have an Adam and Eve pattern. This is our stop loss, YouTube entry. Everything's in the front, right? Come on, buddy. I just put you to the front. So let me put you to the back then. Put you to the back. And there we go. So 50%, so 50%. Okay. Here we do have a bearish divergence. Whoa. From here to here, bearish divergence. But if you go from here to here, not oh yeah, still bearish. We got bearish divergence. That's okay. We're in a bullish market, so I think it's going to do nice. So let us do this copy. And let's go to this. I know it's taking a long time, guys. I know it's taking a long time, and I appreciate your patience. Let's see here. Twitter, I guess. Twitter. X. Twitter. 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 Okay. Everything's taking a long time. All right. Any other coins? Ready to do Litecoin? Any other coins? Put them in the chat. Put them in the chat. Page isn't working. Do X maybe? X.com. And it's working. This is my account, right? I have a few. Yeah, this is my account. All right. So for this one, let's go ahead and post, not profile, post. Let's post this. And let's do ETH setup provided on live stream. Join now. And I don't even know your live stream. And let's go ahead and copy this. Okay. And then paste. Okay, there we go. Good stuff. Let's go and cancel this because, okay. So it looks nice. I like it. All right, so now let's go ahead and finally get to work. Finally get to work. And I greatly appreciate all of you guys' patience. You guys absolutely rock. You guys absolutely rock. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to finally go to the Litecoin USDT. And let's do just a regular chart. Litecoin on this one. We're saying plan A, plan B. Plan A was coming down. Plan B is coming up. And my first good trade says, oh, so this was from some time ago when we were looking at this one last time. But join the group, guys. It's no joke. Join the group. Stop messing around. If you want to make money fast, if you want to learn how to do this much faster, join the group. If you want to do this for free, not a problem. It's just going to take you a lot longer. But I'll teach you everything. It's just going to take you longer. My first good trade since I joined the group, and I joined 2 days ago. It's not like it was a month or 3 years or anything. Joined 2 days ago. Thank you so much, Show and the team. Bingo bango, guys. Bingo bango. All right, so plan A, plan B. I'm thinking plan A is going to do this number. Sure enough, came down. As it's coming down, we set our alerts. And here would be our alert to see, if it broke this level. As we're doing this is just a thought process, come down to here into this zone. If it breaks the recent high, you never want to enter underneath a resistance. And this is what I'm illustrating here from way back over here. If it does come down to this general area where I think it might come down to, then we want it to break the level, the most recently created high, then we enter. What did it do here? It broke, and man, I can't even make this stuff up. Look at that. Right where I was going to draw a line, this is where it has to break this level, you enter the trade. I can't make this stuff up, guys. Now, does this happen all the time? No. Am I a genius and know everything? No. Do I win 99% of my trades because of this that you see right here? No. Why not? Well, we're trading against people. We don't know what people are going to do. But when you do this and it plays out like perfectly, the level feels pretty good. And you will get there. Join my group and learn faster. If you don't want to learn faster, not the problem. Not so much if you don't want to learn faster. If you don't have the money for it, I get it. I'll show you how to trade. Not a problem. I'll show you how to trade here. And this is why I'm encouraging you. Ask questions. Please ask. I want to get you up to speed. I want to make you money. So here, 4-hour time frame, it crossed. We would have had our alert. This is where we would have had our alert. We would have had our alert above this. Maybe above this. Depending on the percentage. 7%. Yeah, definitely. I would have had it lower. I would have had it here. Just above this. Our alert goes off. We look at it. We see it. Oh, it's ready. It is ready. It is ready. Let's see here. Al says, oh, you speak Spanish? If you're referring to me, I can. I don't always. There was one time I went to Mexico and my debit card didn't work and I had no money. And you better believe that fight or flight came up. I was talking Spanish like crazy. I was married at the time, and my wife, she goes, what were you talking about, man? Y'all guys were laughing and everything. I said, I have no idea. I just know I was like 7th grade Spanish came up, 9th grade Spanish came up, like all the stuff that I learned, literally I was doing. Ask me to do it right now, like 1 minute later, I couldn't. It was crazy. But yeah, I can speak a little Spanish. Let's see here. So let's see here. Would you look at Aerodrome? I love Aerodrome. Aerodrome Finance is an absolute beast. I already lost my pen. Got my pen. So Aerodrome Finance is an absolute beast. We were definitely going to look at Aerodrome. I love Aerodrome. Absolutely. And this is one of the ones that we have in the VIP to where we are going to be doing. Oh. Is it popping up on the screen? I picked the wrong one. I probably did. It's this one. Is it not showing up on the screen anymore? Hold on, guys. I'm having some technical difficulties. Let me see if this pops up on the screen. We got Wick in the house. What's up, Wick? How come it's not showing up on my screen anymore? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong screen. That's why. All right, so we're going to check out Aerodrome for sure. Let's see here. I wrote that one down. Oh, we got Bingo Bangos in the house. Bingos and Bangos. See, I follow the liquidity and good so far and tight stop loss. So Al, message me, man. Message me on Telegram. Message me on Telegram. I need to implement that into my strategy as well. I mean, I do from time to time, but I want to see how you do it and see if I could add that to the existing strategy. Because the more strategy you have, the better. See here. I feel like it would 13. Very nice. So yeah, send me a message on Telegram. What is my Telegram? Trade_intuition. Trade_intuition. I'll actually type it here. The way you can just send it to me real quick. So we can chat. Trade_intuition. This is my handle on the I was gonna say Twitter. On the Telegram. Okay. Going on the list. We're gonna look at NAS. I do like NAS as well. You know what? I absolutely love this. I didn't know about Aerodrome Finance Oh, no, wait, no. That one I did know about. But I didn't know about Nas. I didn't know about ATH. ATH is a beast. It's an absolute beast. I actually sold that one last night or early this morning to get into another coin. And if you want to know what coin it is, you're going to have to watch one of my videos, my most recent video. And if you do watch it, you're going to be very, very, very surprised. Here, Paperclip says, Joe's showing his age. How am I showing my age? That I've been married a few times? Yeah, I made a few mistakes. Duality crypto. All right. So here we go. So for this one, a Litecoin, I like it. I would actually enter right now. But Joe is coming down. Don't you see that red candle? Yeah, sure. Whatever. So I'm probably going to do this number. I don't think it's going to come back down here. If it breaks this level, it's coming to this. So I'm going to say it's going to bounce here. Possibly get rejected here. Come down. Come up. Come down. Come up. So once again, everything that I do is never just random. Very strategic. Whenever I'm doing my ups and downs, always look at my crosshairs. You see this level right here? Very strong level. Guess where it lines up to? Right here. You see this level right here? Where does this line up to? Right here. I'm always looking to the left. All of my secrets I give you. You will learn so much from watching my live streams because my goal is to make you money. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And for that reason, I show you all of my tips and tricks. If you want to learn faster, you join the group. If you're okay with, watching all these live streams and getting all these tidbits of information, then here you go. Like there should be literally no excuses why you shouldn't make money. Literally. Let's see here. I'm really loving today. Today's more of a laid-back session. I don't even know if how many people we have watching the show. I'm not worried about it. It's more of a laid-back session. I like it. It's like a Sunday. A Sunday fun day. Okay, so if the price, and this one, I'm going to have a tight stop loss. Well, I don't know. I'll probably add here. Let's do this as a buy zone. A buy zone. Oh, thank you. What is the percentage again from here to my buy zone? Yeah, I'm going to have a tight stop loss. I'm going to do a tight stop loss of around 8%. But Joe, that doesn't make any sense. Why would you have a stop loss and then have a buy zone underneath it? Well, I don't know if it'll dump. I don't know if it'll completely dump. And I don't want to risk it. Now, this is a trade mentality. If you have an investment mentality, well, then you don't put a stop loss. You have your entry now. You have your lower entry in here. And then you just wait. Right now, in my opinion, is the absolute best time to have this type of strategy. And it depends on the segment of the market we're in. I've been going over this quite a bit in the VIP group. Quite a bit. And we have, I think, 5 or 6 trades now that are investment trades. We're doing this. We're ahead of the herd. We're entering coins with lower entries. And some of our lower entries have hit already, which is really good. I'm very happy for that. And then pretty soon, we're going to have all these coins just explode. Just explode. And it's going to get crazy. And we're going to be in those coins already versus chasing them. This is my goal. My goal is to make you the most amount of money this bull run. That is my goal. And the members who are in the group right now, they see it. They send me DMs. Joe, when do you sleep, man? The dude right now, like, I mean, I'm literally neck high in research. And I'm doing all this research so you don't have to. You can spend time with your friends, your family. You can go out. You can have dinners. You can, go working on your charts. I'm doing all this research. And then when I find something, give it to the group. And I don't give out like a whole bunch of research to my group. I give out what I think is important and what's going to help our trades. Because there's a lot of groups out there that'll post everything under the sun. And then when that thing pops off, they say, look, guys, I told my group about it. And now it's up. No, I don't do that. For me, it's about, I don't want to say, I keep on thinking accountability. I think that's the word I want to use, accountability. You know, because I don't want to flood my group with stuff to where I look good when it happens. I want to be very specific with what the stuff that I post so that when it goes, I can take credit for it. That's what I want to do. I don't want to do what all these other people are doing where they're literally destroying their members. I want every single member in my group to be happy. I don't want one disgruntled member. Other groups, they don't care about that. It's all a numbers game. Sure, you come, you go. I don't care. I'm tricking more people. I got 3 that will replace you. For me, I want everybody who joins my group to tell their friends, to tell their family. And then we get more that way, then rather than me tricking people. So that's just me. That's just me. Random Trader says, Merry Christmas. Thank you for all your great technical analysis and sharing your insights and experience with us. I appreciate you, my friend. And I love your thumbnail, your icon, your tag, your picture. Dude, that is spot on. That is spot on. A lottery winner finds love. Yeah, buddy. That's gonna be me right there. That's gonna be me on my yacht with about 10 of them. You know, multi-millionaire crypto enthusiast finds love for the first time. Yep, that's right. Shoot, man. Bingo bango to that. Bingo bango to that. I see Retro Mike's in the house. Retro Mike says, I'm here now, Joe. We can restart from the beginning. Okay. Yes. Yes, we can. See here. Are you going to do a show tomorrow? Yeah. Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'm going to stream like a lot of streams. Like all day type of streaming. Because I'm pretty sure no one's going to be streaming. It's like, let me capitalize on the market. I'm going to do a lot of streams tomorrow. Hopefully. We'll see. If I don't get eggnog wasted. Get chocolate wasted. I do need to buy some eggnog. Here. All set. What's up, buddy? Let's see here. Where you go? I go nowhere. I go here. I go to the moon. And I wanted to take you with me. So this one, we can do a stop loss right here. If this is just a trade, if this is a long-term position, then hey, look at this. Well, we got our second one for the show. I do greatly appreciate you, Wick. Wick says, I really appreciate you, Joe. You had a great year. Thank you. So did XRP. Want to take a retrospective for XRP this past year. See what we might expect by the end of the next year. Well, I tell you what, I do see XRP going to, man, $3 isn't even a joke anymore. I mean, it was never a joke, but let me type this really quick. XRP to this. Here we go. So I just posted it. But yeah, so for XRP, XRP is going to hit $3. I say within the next 2 months, 3 months, and then more than likely $5, maybe even $7 by the end of the bull run. But $5 for sure by the end of the bull run. Not financial advice. I still have mine that I need to get out of my Ledger wallet and put it on my exchange so I can sell it. But I'm not going to do that until more than likely October, November. And hopefully by that time it's $7. That's pretty good. And I bought it long time ago when it was very, very low. It was very, very cheap. Here. The Wick said a retro. Am I doing the right one? Yeah. And XRP in the same sentence. That's a crime. See here. Paperclip. Don't say anything too important. Smoke break. Okay. Ha ha ha. He's going to take a smoke break. Very cool. Let's see here. Wick says, I agree. A solid $5. Yep. Yeah, I've been calling $3 and $5 since last bull run, because people were calling $5. Like, man, one of my buddies, I had a gentleman's bet. One of my buddies, he was like, man, it's going $3. I was like, dude, it's not going $3. And he said $3 or $5. I said, dude, I bet you won't even hit $3. And we did a gentleman's bet, $1. Granted, I don't endorse betting because it's possibly illegal, and I don't want to have the algorithm say don't do it. So, but let's see, here's this one different, QNC. Let's go here. Let's go to this QNC. Nope. Okay. But yeah, so I won. He never paid me the $1, but it was okay though. It was a gentleman's bet. But this season, I said, man, we'll have that next season. The set says, left without me. See you later, Rocket Man. Oh no, man, I'm taking everybody with me. Everybody. When XRP hits 589, I'm taking a trip to Pensacola. Very nice. Yeah, definitely screenshot that. Here. I'll stay here on Earth and keep things green here until you guys come back. No, we want you with us. We're taking everybody. Taking everybody. So for this one, for Litecoin, I really like it. I like the fact, granted, it's possibly starting the uptrend. Because right now in the downtrend, 4-hour time frame, it came up, is our high, low, lower high, a lower low. In order for this to be safer entry, it would be the break of this. This would be the safer entry because now we're doing a higher high and then possibly a higher low. But right now, you have to start somewhere. So this could be the start of this come up. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's kind of zoom out a little bit. Yeah. We got it. Stop showing your group. All right. So I like it. We have a double bottom right here. Break of the neckline. Came down, retested the neckline, came back up, broke below the neckline. So now once it broke below it, this pattern is no longer valid, in my opinion. And what else can we say about this? Very nice area that it bounced off of. This is this nice support zone. Very nice retracement. So this is one thing that I'm always looking at. I'm always looking at like the bigger picture, zooming out. Look at this run up. You pull back. This is about the 50% mark, more than likely the golden pocket. Just for argument's sake, let's click on the first one. Let's click on the last one. Let's right click, create a folder, right click on this, hides everything, hide that object tree. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my magnet tool is on, go to my fib retracement tool, go from the very beginning of this move up, and then I'm going to make sure it's clicked on there. I'm going to go to my settings and make sure that this is not on reverse, and then click OK. And then look at this, bingo and a bango. Very nice. Now, of course, how do we do this? Well, this is the sideways action. This is the start of the run-up. So you always want to have the magnet tool go to the lowest position of the start of the run-up. And then here you go. Could I have done it here? Not really, because it was sideways. And then here's the boom. I call this the boom. So this is the boom. It came back down. It came down, broke through the 382. Most of the coins right now, they're getting support on the 382, 38%, then bouncing up. But this one, it broke below it, came to the 0.5, got bought up really quick. Very nice buying pressure on the daily time frame. Came up, started finding support on the 382, looking like it was up from here. However, Bitcoin did its thing. All the alts are following Bitcoin. Bitcoin made the Litecoin possibly come down and then break this level and then break the buying pressure level. And then it entered the golden pocket between the 0.5618, stayed in here for a little bit. It went down, sold off, nice buyback. This was just stopping out all of the leverage traders. Then it came back up, and then now this looks great. I like this. I really like this one. Is a definite, in my opinion, definite entry. Now again, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do I think we're going to come down here to the buy zone? Looking at that larger picture, not really. Now, if we have a sell-off, then yeah, buy zone, definitely. But I do like it. Let's see here. Oh, forgot to take that off. Let's see. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Well, let me know. Let me know now or forever hold your peace. Right now, we're going to give this a few moments to load up. But I really appreciate you guys. You guys have no idea how much y'all mean to me. So we've been going on for an hour already. Let's see here. How are the likes? I can't see the likes on this page. Hopefully the likes are... Oh, wait. There's no likes. Oh, here we go. Hey, we're on likes. Very nice. You guys are the best. Yeah, tomorrow, I might even do a marathon on streaming. Pretty sure I'll do a marathon. We'll see. All right, guys. Well, if there's no more questions, concerns, issues, I would like to just do a special shout out to two particular people. One of them is Wick. I do greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much for helping out the channel. This does help out the channel very much. And then, of course, we did have another one. I don't know if it's going to save it on here. Oh, here it is. And Alexandra G. So we have two super chatters. Now I have I have a thing to where it does like a funny animation, but I don't have the link to that area to donate. I'll probably have to look at that. It's a really cute, funny thing. Probably have that for tomorrow. But you guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. We did go over 2 coins. One of them, ETH, being an actual setup, and Litecoin. Pretty much, this is a good setup. I mean, I like it. I really do. I think if we do pull back, and it'll probably definitely pull back into this buy zone, and then this will be a perfect buying opportunity. But I don't know if the market makers would want to take it down this low. I think the market makers already took it down low, and now they're going to start going up. So I really do think Litecoin is... I think Litecoin's ready. Litecoin looks great. Like, all these coins look great. Look, I'm going to show you something really quick. Probably shouldn't do this. No, I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. I can't do it. Let me show you... Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me show you. I love that that guy. Let me show you something. And you're gonna put him off the bridge or whatever it is. Yeah, wait. Let me tell you something. Here's some AI agents. If you guys aren't on my free portion of Patreon, you're missing out. Links in the description. I have a bunch of stuff. I have watch lists there. I have videos that I have special there. I have, matter of fact, yeah, I have a lot of great stuff in the free portion of Patreon. So I strongly recommend everybody join the Patreon. It is the place to be. All right, so let's see here. Cardano is the best. Cardano really surprised me. Hey, we got Rogue Glide in the house. Cardano really surprised me. And it's going to do, hey, oh, wow. We got Retro Mike. So yeah, on this one, I don't have all my special notifications. Because again, I'm on my other computer. But we got Retro Mike doing some memberships. Thank you, Retro Mike. You're amazing, dude. Oh, and we do have a Retro Mike icon. So I'm going to actually put that in the chat. And for all you new members, We can just do retro mic in the chat. And for everybody who is a member, throw some retro mics in the chat. Let's see here. That is really good. Got some more members to help out. Appreciate that. So right now I'm going down the list. I see we have new people in here. So let's go into this. Going really quick, just seeing what's going on. Matthew says, I got up at midnight and used the ETH heat map for fees and got my Uniswap coin. Thanks for the help. Wow, you took that advice. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. Very happy that helped with your reducing the fees. So yeah, I'm here to save you money, guys. Whether it's different tips and tricks or showing you how to trade. That is very nice, man. I'm really happy about that. Here, and of course, we got Retro Mike with the memberships, being the absolute beast that he is. Very cool. I'm on the wrong one again. This one? Nope, I'm on the wrong one. No, it was the right one. Oh, it's just I'm not looking at the right thing. Okay. Okay. So here, going down the list. Got some new people. Let's see here. You got Jess in the house. The bomb. Yep. Retro Mike Tech is the bomb for sure. Helps out a lot of people. Okay. I thought I missed chat. I'm going down the list one last time. There's so many AI plays. Matter of fact, I even told my group to, I said, man, I was going to do a video about something, and then I found something. So then I didn't do that video about that something, and I made a video about the new something that I found, posted it, we entered it, making some money. And then somebody, this morning on Piper Academy, they were talking about liquid something. I forget what it's called. But then I put it in the group. I was like, I was gonna make a video about this and other things I found, but because I found this next craziest thing ever, I just got busy with all that and all the other research I had to do on top of it. But yeah, there's so many. It's ridiculous. And I told my group, I was like, man, I don't think I have enough money. See here, we got Kay in the house. I don't know how to say your name. Komorbi says, this is my first crypto bull run cycle. I'm trying to learn. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, so what I strongly recommend, be very careful with who you watch, because right now you're like a sponge. You're very impressionable. If you see somebody jumping around, super hyper, great, very charismatic, great energy, you're going to be entranced by that. And you're going to get duped by that. Here, no flashy lights, no flashy nothing. I show you how to trade. I show you how to make money. You go with other people, you will lose your money. Because what they do is they have an echo chamber. They have people who only say what they're saying. So if the person says, yeah, man, who else made money in this group? And, who else is liking this group? And everybody, I'm liking it. This group is the best and blah, blah, blah. And you have all that because if one person says, hey, man, like I've been in your group for a little bit already. I'm really not learning anything. He will change his very happy persona to a very evil, dark, ugly person that will say, listen, man, we don't want any negativity in here, this and that, blah, blah, I'm actually going to block you from the group, and I'm actually going to kick you out of the group. Like, he will do that, and people will do that. So watch. If you watch anybody that's super hype, ask them questions. See how they reply to you. See how they talk to you. They may just try to trick you into joining the group, but like you'll, man, I hate to say it, but I mean, you'll find out. For me, I truly do care. My mom raised me right. Morals, ethics, integrity. All I have is my name. That's all I have. And my name means a lot to me. But when people say, you know, I'm in Trading Tuition's group, you know, Joe, and even before I had my group, story time, even before I had my group, I had no intention of making a group. I was in another group. My ex-boss, you know, he paid me very, very little compared to all the stuff that I did. But I was happy because he would dangle that carrot in front of me that I was going to be a multimillionaire if I just stuck with him. And I believed it. And he duped me. I got suckered. And I was literally, I didn't have to. He would tell me, charge them, Joe. Charge them extra for all the stuff you're doing. I said, no, man, I like doing it. I like helping people. And once I left, and of course, all those people that I helped, with no ill will intention or nothing, they knew I left. They found my YouTube channel. They said, Joe, my renewal is coming up. You didn't have to help me the way you helped me. And you did. You never charged me extra. I'm doing the lifetime membership, man. I don't even want the yearly subscription. I want the lifetime membership just because of who you are. That is gold. That is gold. And that's what I do. I help people because I love helping people, period. And then they're all, I had a lot of lifetime members already. And that's because I helped a lot of people. And people can see it, and they really can. You know, as time goes on, they can see who's who. And like I said, I have people who see what I do and see that I truly do care. And so, as I mentioned, you know, I don't even have it up here. I mean, I hate shielding my group, but if I don't talk about it, you're not going to know about it. Let me see here. Let me do this one. So this is trade, intuition, and in my link tree. That way you can go and see all my stuff. So let's see if it comes up. Okay, here it came up. So let me go ahead and just click on this. Now, if you're interested in joining my group and you know you want to learn faster, then of course you can send me a Telegram message. Send me a Telegram message and just let me know, hey Joe, I'm interested in your group. Can you tell me more about it? And I'll tell you, instead of boring everybody here who already's either in the group or already knows about it. And then if you want to just join the group, well, then you can join it here. It's on Patreon. You know, here's some other links that I have. Here's some of the non-KYC places. Blowfin is really good. We have other ones as well. Mexi, I love. Oh wait, Mexi. Oh, I gotta fix that. That's not right. I gotta take that off. I'm not with them anymore. But yeah, send me a message. I'll help you out. All right, so we are getting back to the stream. Yeah, I thought you were done. Let's see here. I did send a tip through Stream Element 2. Not sure if, yeah, I don't have on this computer. I don't have it to where and thank you, man. Thank you, Retro Mike. I don't have the Stream Elements on this computer. I need to put it on. Every time I don't remember any of that stuff until it's time for the stream because I'm so busy doing all my research and with my group. But thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. And it's funny, I had just spent a lot of time too setting up my computer with all the bells and whistles, and then the next day before I could even show it, it messes up. That's funny. Hyperliquid, that's the one. Hyperliquid. Check that one out, guys. Check that one out. DYOR, do your own research. Hyperliquid. Definitely check it out. I was gonna check it out, but we're already wrapping up the show. Just going through the last things. Okay, let's see here. Here, Supra making nice gains. Yeah, right now there so many Supras making nice gains. A lot of them. And Jesse, like you're a beast, dude. You're a beast with all these entries here. The road glide says, I noticed last time you were running your C cleaner. Shut off your C cleaner and restart. Okay, I'm writing that down. C cleaner, turn off. And then I'm also going to do what the other suggestions were given as well. Oof, man, 353%. Good Lord, Jesse. You're an absolute beast. Absolute beast. Look up Supra, Joe. Stop messing around. All right, all right. Let's see here. Crypto, no, coin, market cap. Coin. This is like, guys, I want to make y'all some money. Okay, okay. Supra. Did I spelled it correctly? Supra, yeah. Okay. So Supra is 278 million market cap, so it is a baby. Let's go to the all. It was around last month, so it's a brand new token. Let's go to the 7-day, just so we can kind of see the chart really quick. Had a really nice dip, starting to come up. Looked like it found its bottom, coming up. V bottom incoming in 23 minutes. I don't know what V bottom means. Where the candle close? Is that what you're saying? Let's go and here, Coinbase Ventures, layer 1. Let's go to their website really quick. This is all the stuff that I do prior to build super dApps on all-in-one Supra layer 1. Extreme throughput. I don't know how to say that word. Throughput. You know, I'm not a good reader, but I'm a good charter. Yo, charter is not even a word. I'm a good charterinist. Nope. You're not a ballerinist either. I know how to chart and make money. All right. A native Oracle services have freedom to build your own composable ecosystem and the option to build with the language you love. That's a dApps builder's paradise. That's what we're creating on Supra Layer 1. Nice. Okay. Supra containers, etc., etc. Okay. So it's a real person and not somebody who can't be doxxed. Bigger, faster, better, test it, blah, blah, blah. No, it's okay. Like the animation. Like all this stuff. The animation's spot on. I spent money on it. Either that or an AI did it. Here, Oracle is beast. Isn't Oracle too? Native Oracle data with full, okay. Price feeds powered by Supra Oracles. Okay. I love Oracles. Supra is now available on multiple exchanges. Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC. Very nice. Okay, back to investors. Supra. Jesse, you need to talk with me on Telegram. I need to know how you're finding these things. And I'll tell you how I'm finding my things. I do like it a lot. Let's see here. What else can we look at? I think that's pretty much it. And it's available. So Supra. Copy. The market cap. No, we'll copy the market cap. Market cap is this. So let's go to Supra. I'll DM you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Also on Coinbase. Get out of here. Yeah, definitely do. See here. Supra. Okay, it's available on leverage as well, but because it's such a small market cap coin, it's extremely high risk. And that looks so nice. Huge run up, nice sell off, then coming up, retesting this level, coming up more, breaking this level, broke this level, but created a new low. So what I would love to do on this, man, this is some major alpha right here. Jesse, dude, thank you for sharing this with us, man. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Pulled back to the 382. Bounced off of here. For everybody who's still sticking around, this is some major alpha right here. Let's give some bingo bangles to Jesse. Let's give some bingo bangles to Jesse. I'm just going to type it out. That way I don't mess up. Bingo, bango. I don't know if I can do the @ sign here. Oh, I can. And enter. Bingo bangles to Jesse. So here we retrace to the 382. This is the point that we were talking about where normally it retraces to 38%. Found some support here for a little bit. And then it broke through, went into our golden pocket, beautiful V-shaped recovery, and then it came down. And creating a lower high, a higher low. We have a low, higher low, broke above this level, which is good. This is when we would have entered, and then it pulled back. It pulled back. This would have been a really nice zone for it to come into. It did come into it. It bounced off of the 618, came up to the 0.5, found rejection, came back down, but look at this. This is screaming. This is screaming support. The holders, the buyers, the new buyers did not want to see this come down. Huge support. Right there. Right there is your support. Right on the money. So right now, to me, this looks fantastic. This looks like a definite buy. You know, it may come down here before coming up. Yeah, we just do it like this. So this is one way. Here is another way. So let's change this color to yellow. So this is what I think. So it's either going to, have a retracement now, pull back into this area, or it's going to run up, get rejected here. Possible. I don't know. Possible rejection here, pull back to about the golden pocket of this run up, maybe a little bit lower than golden pocket, and then come up here. I like this setup. I really like this setup. So for this one, how would we enter this trade? Well, we would do an enter now. So this one would be a enter YouTube entry. We're gonna come over here. Let's go to the text. Let's go and put this one December 20. Oops. December. I gotta type slow because it's right by the mouse. December 24 at 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let's put some spaces on that because we have that. Okay. So this is our entry now. And this is our add to entry zone. Now in this one, no stop loss. This is a hold. This one is a hold. This is a great coin right here. So this is our buy zone. And then here we can add to the trade. And we'll do this one in yellow. And then, well, let me do this. So we'll do buy zone, but we'll change this to a yellowish. Then we'll change the text. And the text will be add to entry, add to position. Position after, all caps, after retrace. Active position after retrace. So hopefully that makes sense. So basically what I'm saying is once, you know, it breaks up or whatever, then it comes down, then it goes this, more than likely, hopefully this will be somewhere in here. Something like this. So it could come up, down, come up, then this is when you would add. So let me do my circles. So this is an entry now. This is when you would add to your trade here, or once it breaks out of this zone. Those are the entries. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got to do this. Hard cap. Oh yeah. And then I also have to put what it is. Oh, it wasn't really. So it's an oracle. What other things was it? A layer 1, right? Let me know if that was correct. A layer 1 in oracles. I already forgot. But I'm not going to go back to that site. Here. I think it was a layer 1 and oracles. Oracles. Okay. So let me know if that is correct. Layer 1 in oracles. Here. Also, it says, peace, friends, don't get wrecked. I hear that. Yes, layer 1. Okay, good. Thank you. Here. Okay. Let's see here. Now, as far as the target goes, target. First target, shoot, man. Way up here. Like I said, I'm holding this bad boy. Holding this bad boy for about 3 or 4 months. And for those of you who are new to my channel, this is what I do every single day, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And if you want to learn for free, you got it for free. Tune in every single day. Ask questions. Ask about charts. If you want to learn faster, well, then join the group. Pretty much that easy. I don't trick anybody. I don't do any bamboozlement. To show you what I do. And here. Now, do you have to have your target so high? No, you sure don't. But these are the targets that I would like for my group. Dang it, and I should have put this on my... I'm actually going to post this to my group. Crypto Bill says, great show, Joe. I got to go live. Oh, you're going live? Awesome, man. Let me make you an admin real quick. Throw your channel in here. That way I don't have to go look for it. See here. Add as a moderator. Okay. Throw your channel in here so we can all go check you out. So I just added you as a moderator, Crypto Bedell. So put your link in there, and then that way we can all go over there. Here, Bedell, you stream? Or just, Mark, I love you, Mark. Yeah, we're going to stream some Heineken. I watch some Bedell too. Yeah, definitely, man. Put your link in there, and put your link in there, and that way we can I'll go over there. That'd be cool. The wifey said just downgraded 2 levels. You're funny, guys. But yeah, so I do like this one. Special shout out to everybody who is here. This I do believe will make us some nice money. And with it being such a low market cap coin, you know, these all have the potential of getting picked up by, you know, bigger exchanges or just more exchanges. So there we go, guys. We got that. So let me click on this and let me click on copy link, smash the like, and work. Notify me. And then let's see here. I think I can also do it on my end now that I got that link. Go here to reload. And just to let me know that you're still here, guys. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Would like to see some ones in the chat. Not that. Pop out dashboard. I'm gonna see if I can try some. I'm gonna experiment something really quick. So delete ads. What's this one? Insert ad. Add stream marker. What's that? Add stream marker. Stream marker added. Marker appears in the video editor. Oh, I guess I can edit stuff. Share this. I guess I'll get all that. See, there was a thing that I could do. Manage. So bear with me, guys. I'm almost done with this. I'm trying to see if I can do something. I think because I'm on the little screen, it's not showing me. Not pop or dashboard. Manage. Manage. Stream. Oh, it's probably under edits. Personalization. Okay, yes, it was under edits. Okay, here we go. So what was it again? Check. So it's this one. Happy Xmas Eve. Okay. All right, very good. So I actually have it as, I'm going to try this out. So I actually have it as a redirect. I've never done this before. So I'm going to save it. All right. Wait, am I on a new chat? Am I on a new stream? What did I just do? I don't know. Did I end my stream? Can't find the chat. See here. So let me know, guys. Let me know if I ended the stream. I don't know what I just did. I was trying to do it to Bedell's, a redirect. YouTube Studio. So right now we're just kind of hanging out and seeing me fumble around live. $24. No, so we're still live. I wonder if it has it to where it's a redirect. Okay, so I still see here. Yes, you ended the stream. Mark, did I really end the stream? Oh, Mark. Oh, Mark. So I'm pretty sure I have the redirect. So if it does redirect, make sure to go to Crypto Badel's thing. Let's all hang out, continue the party. I do thank you guys very much. It was fun, and hopefully we can make some money off of this coin. This was a setup provided, and I do thank you very much. And of course, special shout out to Jesse for giving us that. Jesse really did help out with today's show, and everybody else too. So I do thank you. I'm gonna end the stream, and we're gonna see if it goes to redirect. All right, thank you guys so much. Take care. Oh, and of course, let's make this money. Joe, you're still alive. I know. I'm trying to do something right now. Joe, don't say anything embarrassing. Oh, it says redirect. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I was going to try to find that. Okay, good. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. All right. Adios. See you on Medel's stream. All right. Take care. Let's make this money. Okay, bye.